And I'm just lining my eye. Doesn't have to be crazy. I'm making it a little bit thicker than I normally would. Then I'm gonna go right in between my lashes on my waterline and just fill in all those little sparse areas to make sure that my lashes look extra thick and to make sure that there's no white spaces in between my lashes and my eyeline. I'm going to take a small brush and blend that eyeliner up and out. Okay, we want it to blend up, creating almost like a base eyeliner shadow. Now I'm just blending the other way because I don't want to take it out. I want to create a very rounded eye. And try to keep the darkest part of the eyeline at your lash line. And it should look something like this. Take your liner again, go underneath. I always connect the two at the end. Just creates a little bit more of a cohesive eye so you don't have a big spot in between your top lash and your bottom lash. Lining the waterline and going in between those lashes. So I'm going underneath my lashes and just coating them. Blend out again. And it should look something like this. Okay, my other eye is done. And if you want to go for 1920s makeup, be my guest. Just go ahead and leave it like this. Do a very berry lip and you're out the door.